Solomon, welcome. Hey, Dean, welcome. Hey, Solomon,
Well,
welcome. Welcome,
okay,
guys.
everyone.
Hello, hello. Let's go with the markets. The Dow was down. So you guys should see here, Dow was down almost 200 points today. All right. NASDAQ was down, S&P, Russell. So across the board, markets were down, but still holding. All right. Still holding. Here's the here's the NASDAQ here. So really good price action still. The S&P still holding here, right? Breaking resistance here, so that's good. Um, Here is the Dow right here, green candles, so that's good. We'll take this for the Dow, right? So Friday was up, down today, but we'll still take it, all right? And then the Russell is right here. The VIX looks good. All right, still at 14. All right, still at 1473. So that's good on the VIX. All right, we do need more of these sectors. Let me take a look here. That just doesn't look right. We should have more sectors. Yeah, that's right. That's right. All right, so let's go back here. We need more of these sectors moving higher. All right, so we definitely need more of these sectors moving higher. Less than half the sectors are up currently. All right, so we'll keep an eye on that. The US 30 closed, right? So our trader should have received a sell signal to get out of that US 30 trade. All right, and this was a great trade, by the way. Buy signal here, broke support here, right? Sell signal to get out. So we should be out of that US 30. Wait, guys, on taking any new trades. All right. So if we get a sell short signal, there's a good chance that we will not take that trade. All right. We'll wait for perhaps another buy signal. Okay. All right. But good trade there. Congratulations to Dean. I know you took that trade. So good job. I haven't heard from Brian or any of our other traders. So, but good job. Good job. All right. I want to go right into, let's see here, equities. All right. Equities. And then we'll spend some time on Forex. I want to make sure we go through equities this evening, and we'll start with Stock Boss here. All right. All right, here. And then we'll take a quick look at the futures market also. All right. All right. So let's go through stocks, right? Stocks that we've got going in Stock Boss. Okay. MVLA, that's still holding good price action. Buy signal here, right? Still holding well. All right. ARQQ, that's holding. All right. If we get any red candles, we'll need to close those trades. Okay. MVIS, that's holding nicely. GLYC. All right. Let's do this. Rather than going through each one, I just want to go through and see if we have any pairs that's a concern. All right. That we need to get out of. All right. Or that's a real concern. YMAB, keep an eye on this one here. Okay, it's got white candles here. Okay, so keep an eye on it. It is these candles here. Whenever you guys have white candles, just pay attention. If you guys look here, so even with white candles, we can do some more analysis here. All right, here. And if we drew a trend line here, you guys can see here that even with a white candle, we can see these white candles moving higher. Okay. So we open up tomorrow, we could get a high. Where did it close here? It closed, this candle here closed right up here. Let me draw it out. So even with these red candles, we can do further analysis, guys, to see the direction here. So we're getting higher lows with even with white candles, we're getting higher lows, and we closed at right here at 824. So we could open tomorrow right here at that high and they give us a new candle here. Okay, so even with the down day today, we're still holding. All right.
Hey, David.
Yes, Dean.
Um, can I give you three? I mean, just to look at later on, can I give you three?
Yes, yes, absolutely. What are they? What are those?
ALLK.
ALLK. Okay.
Then the next one is GEVO, GEVO.
GEVO. Are we trading GEVO, right?
Okay, so we'll go over that. Okay, great, great.
Yeah, I think so. Let me make sure. Yes, we trading GEVO, ALLK. Yes, we're in that one also. So we will, but I'm going through this randomly. So thanks for letting me know. So I'll make sure I go over those.
Okay,
What was the third one then?
TVTX. TVTX.
TX. Okay. All right. TV. I don't think we're in that one. Yeah. So we'll go
Okay, all right.
TVTX. Okay, we'll go through those.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thanks. Okay. So we're just gonna go through these to see, find the ones that's a concern, a major concern, rather than going through each one. And most of these are holding. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome. Welcome, Joe. All right. All right. We'll go through each one here. GE. Okay. So then GEVO. All right. What was your question on this one? Do you have a question on this one?
Yeah, I got into that one.
Oh, you got in? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good job. Good job. This one looks good. We got a nice buy signal, good markdown phase, right? Fell from what? It fell from, looks like about $9, trading at $1.45. Yeah, nice one. Good one. One here. All right. All right. Looks good. Looks good. Let's see here. And ALLK. All right. That also looks good in here. Breaking resistance right here. Good markdown phase here. Okay, so that looks good. Trading at 513. Right, and fell from. That's a good risk reward trade here. So fell from 112. Okay, to $5, and it's held support. That's always good. Held support. White candles, and now green candles breaking higher there. So very good.
David, so I had a question about that because I got into this one as well, but my question was, is this because I looked at the charts and I did similar to what you did?
Mhm.
This is a long hold. I mean, why I say that, or I'm asking, because I looked at the time ratio it took that it dropped down
Mhm.
to yes. So that's I did that, and then I said, wow, okay. So I took the position,
Okay.
but my question was, you see that huge gap? Is that a concern?
Well, not, it's not a major concern, right? If
Okay.
you're going long, you know it's good if you're going long because you could
Yes.
feel that gap, right?
Yes. Yes.
That price that you could get that filled, which
Right.
yeah. So you just have to get above, right? You have to get above, I would say $11. Or a better resistance might be um about
Mm.
$8. Let's see here. Yeah, about eight
Yeah,
eight
it's
eight
about eight.
fifty. All
50,
right.
150. Yeah,
To start getting into that gap. Yeah, you
yeah. Okay.
might fill that gap. If
Wow.
buyers, yeah, buyers could come in and fill that gap. That could be good, right? They could
Yeah, yeah.
run through that gap. So,
Okay.
yeah, but I wouldn't say it's a long trade
Yeah.
because we don't know, right? So, you
Right.
might get into up to $6, $7, and then get a sell signal, and then it might just um, stay below that range here.
Got
Okay.
it. Okay. Okay.
So yeah, but the hope is that it breaks through, starts to fill that gap, get
Yeah.
momentum, bring in other buyers, right? Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, but good job, good job there, good job. It is, nice markdown phase. We know this is a really good markdown phase. You could get another trade like this hidden, you know, and that's not bad. That trade there was for about 3 points, 2, 3 points. Hopefully it breaks through, but yeah. Okay, all right. And then the last one, TX. All right. Uh, let's see here. T TVTX, correct, right? That's
Yeah,
correct.
yeah. That's why I'm waiting. I'm waiting on this one. It just went green, so I'm like, but I
Yeah,
saw the
there's nothing.
consolidation. Yeah,
There's nothing here, bud.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
there a lot. Look at this, a lot of
Yeah,
consolidation.
it's messy.
Yeah, yeah, very messy. We don't have a clean markdown phase. A lot of
Yeah.
consolidation is here. Even right here, even that accumulation. I wouldn't even call this an accumulation phase, right?
Okay.
Just yeah. I wouldn't do nothing here.
Okay. All
Okay,
right.
right.
Thank you.
You sure, bud. Okay, let's go here. All right, we're looking for. We know we in all of these trades here. We trade in all of these. We're just looking for. We have so many stocks to go through that I just want to focus on the ones we need to. All right, so ASRT, we need to close that. Okay, so we have a red candle here, guys. If you guys look here. All right, red candle right here. All right. So white candles, red candles. So we need to get out of that one. ASRT. Okay, so let's get out of that one there. All right. So let's keep going. So we're just looking for the ones that are having difficulty holding. This one here, um, TLS. I would keep an eye. You don't have to close it, but we do have a white candle, and it's trading below that resistance line, so it's back within support and resistance. So I would keep an eye on this one here. All right, you don't have to close it, but keep an eye on it. Okay. This one here, CLSK, close that one. All right. So buy signal was here. We got a white candle. All right. Sell signal to get out. So close this one here. We just want to clean things up. We have a lot of stocks. All right. And we'll have more this evening. So we just want to clean things up here. This is good. All right. These are good. Keep an eye on TWKS. All right, we have a big white candle came in today. Was holding well, was holding really well, but this big white candle here. I know the market was down 200 points, but we're holding at support right here. Right, we got support here, further support down here, but keep an eye on this one. Don't have to close it, but keep an eye on it. And then Riot. Keep an eye on Riot. Oh, come on, Riot here. All right, we need Riot to break out. So we got a white candle here with Riot. All right, we got support right here. Just keep an eye on it. Okay. And then Bullmaster. Let's see here. Look at this one here. GTLB. That was up 35%, right? So that did pretty good in Bullmaster today. So we'll do the same thing. So we're just looking for positions that's you know on the borderline where we might get a sell signal. Most of these are holding well. Look at this one here, PT EXPE. That's buy signal is here, moving up nicely, guys. All right. So most of these picks are holding. I'm glad you guys are building position. Continue to build. Remember, we have buy signals on the weekly time frame on the Nasdaq and on the S&P on the weekly time frame. So keep an eye on. You don't have to close it, but SWTX, right? We got a red white candle here, right? Came all the way down, but closed right at 26. Keep an eye on this one. Yeah. Right. Looks weak. All right. All these are good. Green candles here. As long as we have green candles. This one here and Neo. Close this one here. We got a red candle. So if anyone is in Neo, right, close that one. Red candle. We should be out of that one. Neo. Okay. I want to do the same thing with Forex, and then we'll look at picks. All right. Okay, so we'll start with monster scalper long positions. And quite honestly, guys, I don't have a real direction for Forex right now. The pairs are all over the place. All right, pound Swiss long, close that, right? We got a sell signal to get out of that trade. So pound Swiss, close that trade. Pound dollar, same thing, close that trade. All right, pretty messy. Pound HKD, close that trade. Aussie yen, you could still hold it, but really keep an eye on it. Aussie CAD, right? Forex is just all over the place right now. Aussie dollar, ZAR yen, that's holding, did better. Aussie CAD, that's the new one here. I would say just be careful with Monster Scalper right now. Still trying to find some direction. You guys know we closed a lot of the dollar pairs, a lot of the yen pairs last week. So it's still trying to, market's still trying to get some direction here.
Hey, David.
Don't go heavy. Yes, Din.
So, did you call Aussie US?
Aussie dollar. I think that was a while back.
Oh,
Yeah, Aussie dollar.
I'm
Yeah,
holding
that's
that.
been a while.
Okay.
That was last week, I believe.
Yeah, I'm still holding that, and I'm shorting USD PLN.
Okay. Let's take a look at that. You shorting it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so we're shorting it. Let's see here. Let's see how that looks. Just know that we don't have good direction right now in Forex. As far as Monster Scalper, in Forex Dominator, things are still holding. We'll see, we'll
Mm-hmm.
make sure if they are this evening. Um, so USD PLN Dean is still holding firm, but I would just be careful.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and then
with some of these, you might even want to get out on a white candle. Quite
okay,
honestly, yeah.
and then what about
Um,
USD ZAR?
USD ZAR is holding, right? So we
Yeah,
sent
yeah,
out
yeah.
these alerts yesterday. Was it last night, I believe, or early morning? The ZAR is making a move. So the dollar ZAR. You in the dollar ZAR, then?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So if you guys are in the dollar ZAR, euro ZAR, those pairs are looking good. All right. And then pound ZAR. So the ZAR is making a move. Okay. Um, so yeah, just hold on to those. And then we also called the ZAR, that's the reserve, the reverse. The ZAR yen is moving higher. The ZAR yen, which is here. So the ZAR pairs, right, is making a move. Here's the ZAR yen right here. Okay. Um, that's the only real move we've seen um, in Monster Scalper. Okay. Hopefully these yen pairs will hold. Okay, but doesn't look like it though. Okay, but hopefully they will hold. But if you guys notice, we don't have, compared to Forex Dominator, we don't have much here, right? So let's take a quick look. We're bouncing around this evening, but that's fine. Uh, yes, things are still moving. Let's see here. It's starting to consolidate. Not, I wouldn't say it's consolidating, but it's slowing down. We can tell it's slowing down a bit in Monster Scalper. Um, so just be cautious. If you guys look here, we have no direction. If you guys look here, look at this. See here, very mixed, right? Right, down, up, right? Blue and red. So not a lot of direction. We have a little bit of direction, more direction in the yen pairs and the Aussie pairs. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Aussie dollar, we should be in that. Aussie New Zealand, that's gone. Aussie Swiss, all right, Aussie Swiss, and then Aussie CAD is here. New Zealand dollar still holding, right? Needs a buy signal. New Zealand Swiss needs a buy signal, and nothing yet in New Zealand CAD. All right, and then the yen pairs, right? They've been closing, trying to make another move higher. But you guys know we've taken the only one that's really holding is pound yen, but that should give a sell signal soon. Okay, to exit to close the trade. So just be careful. Things are slowing down. We've had great trades. The dollar pairs gave great trades. The yen pairs gave great trades. So the market's taking a break right now. All right, as far as Forex now, in Forex Dominator, I know they were holding better. Than Monster Scalper. Let's see what they're doing now. If they're still holding. So dollar Swiss. All right, trading near resistance there. Okay. We'll go through this quickly. USD CNH. All right, that's holding. All right, so Forex Dominator doing a much better job holding the trades. All right, that's USD CNH. USD CZK. All right, that's holding, retraced a bit. USD DKK, that's holding. They're not closing here. USD SEK, all right. USD SGD, it's holding. And then ZAR, dollar ZAR is holding. And then I believe the yen pairs are still holding. Aussie yen, CAD yen, look at CAD yen. Swiss yen holding. So euro yen holding, pound yen holding, buy signal here all the way here. Hong Kong HKD holding. So Forex, you guys can see Forex Dominator really doing a much better job holding. And that's euro ZAR, wide candle. Keep an eye on that. Pound Swiss, all right. And then pound SGD, good job going there. So much better trading with um, on the longer time frame, right? The daily time frame with Forex Dominator, and that's to be expected, right? In Forex Dominator, we don't have as much noise, right? It will hold on to these trades a bit longer. Shorts, Aussie dollar short, right? Keep an eye on it there, all right? We have white candles. We need red candles, sellers to come back in. Same with Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD is holding. Yeah, I'm sorry. Aussie CAD is holding. Sell short signal is here. That's doing well. USD MXN, look here, really doing well, looking to break resistance. And then the Euro pairs, Euro pound, Euro Swiss, Euro CAD, Euro dollar, right? Those are all holding fairly well. All right. And then New Zealand dollar, New Zealand CAD, holding well. Okay. So no changes. And we haven't made any major changes in Forex Dominator in a while. So they're holding well. All right. Let's take a look at Stock Boss. All right. Let's run Heat Seeker. 111 stocks, guys. Okay, so let's go through this. We'll go through it quickly. We're looking for new buy signals. Okay, new buy signals um, to add to Stock Boss. So just because we had a down day today, that doesn't change anything, right? Stocks, they're still moving. They're still moving. All right, and we're looking for new buy signals, fresh new buy signals. All right. Then that's yours, the GEVO. All right, very choppy. Good buy signal. Look at this. A lot of consolidation. So that's not good. All right, we'll add no, we have purpose support and resistance here, guys. So that might be overbought there. All right. We're in this one. We're in this one. right? SELB. Let's take a quick look. All right, not bad. All right, we have some consolidation in here. All right, but if you guys look here, we have a nice markdown phase, right? Descent markdown phase, descent markdown phase. So we don't really have consolidation. We actually have really good trading going here, but we do need to get above this resistance to really see it move. Good risk reward. All right, decent. All right, $5 is where it fell from, trading at $1.31. Good buy signal though. Good buy signal. Purple support and resistance, but it's at the bottom. All right, so that's fine. So we'll add it SELB in stock boss. All right, let's keep going. All right, we'll add this one, CANO. CANO. All right, buy signal 146, CANO in stock boss. All right. All right. Yeah, we're not in this one. Okay, so FTCH in stock boss. All right, good markdown phase. All right, buy signal here, but held, moving higher now. So many stocks, guys. We're in this one. Well, hit seeker, I say this all the time. Run your hit seekers, guys. Even intraday. All right, even intraday. Lots of opportunities. Okay, new one. NRGV. All right, buy signal. He's here. Good markdown phase. All right. NRVG. NRVG. In stock boss. We're in this one. We're in this one, I believe. Let's make sure. I thought we were MVLA. Yes, yes, we're in this. All right. PRCH. PRCH. Good markdown phase. Look at this. Really good markdown phase. Really good risk reward, guys. All right. This is a good one here. All right. Fell from 27. Now it's trading at $1.39. Buy signal came in today. a good support. So if it fails, right, it's at $1.39. Your support is at about 108. Okay, so that's really good protection. Okay, all right. So what's that? PRCH. Okay, very good. We're in this one. MVIS really moving, guys. We're in that one. All right, here's another one here. QBTS. QBTS. And we'll send these out later. All right, to our stock boss traders. Good markdown phase, right? It fell from $13 to $1.71. Buy signal came in at 99. It's still good. Okay, it's still good. All right, still good. All right, can definitely move higher. Okay. MPLN, MPLN, another one here. Good markdown phase. All right. Buy signal is here, hasn't totally left, right? If it moves any higher, then it's too late, but it's still good if you get in early. MPLN in Stock Boss. That's gone. All right. Another one here. Decent risk reward fell from 16. All right. Breaking resistance here. Buy signal came in today. All right. Good markdown, right? Close markdown phase right here, fairly well. 131 buy signal came in today. GWH. All right. In Stock Boss. All right. Gone. No buy signal yet. Nothing yet. Let's see. All right. AMWL. Good markdown phase. The guys, a lot of these look very similar, right? $14 from, all right. Right. Buy signal came in at 3. Was that 241? Closed at 251. Right. Buy signal came in right here. That looks good. And that's AMWL. All right. Just a few more in Stock Boss. All right. Not a bad markdown phase. Fell from about 13 to $1.64. Okay. Nice buying coming in here. Okay. That's BKSY. That's about 12 so far, guys, this evening. That's a lot. Big C, I think we're in this one. Yes, we're in this one. All right, that's gone. All right, we're in this one. That's gone. All right. AEVA, AEVA, also in Stock Boss. You can't take all of these, but track them. Trade the best ones. All right. So that's Stock Boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. And I do want to take a quick look at futures, right? Um, all right. So Bullmaster. I know this is tedious, but it is what we have to do, guys. We never know when we find really good opportunities. All right. And right now, we have a lot of stocks. We'll get to a point where we don't have as many opportunities. So when we get these opportunities, we've got to take advantage of them. This is Tesla. We're in Tesla, right? I think we're in Tesla. Yes, yes. Very choppy. Look at a lot of consolidation, guys. Nothing there. All right. VPTX and Bullmaster. Make sure we're not in it. VB, we're in it. I'm sorry. We're in it. All right. BBTX, we're in it. Nothing here. Very choppy. All right. Let's see here. Okay. KREF, buy signal. Look at really good resistance. Buy signal. Price broke resistance. Buy signal came in right here. So KREF, and that's in Bullmaster. All right. That's gone. A lot of consolidation. Let's keep going. Let me know if you guys have any questions on any of these or why I'm selecting the ones I'm selecting. Okay. I don't mind stopping to help you guys. NV. All right. So we'll add this one here. All right, NVCR, right? Good markdown phase. We've got really good resistance at 85. It's trading at 82. All right, buy signal was here, but it's looking to a breakthrough now. Retraced right here, looking to break through. All right, so we'll add this NVCR in Bullmaster. Okay, it's pricey, 82, but you can get call options. Okay. All right, EXPE in Bullmaster. All right. Redfin, we added that yesterday. CARG, we added that. All right, COUR, all right, buy signal is here, retraced, breaking resistance now. Those are good, all right, they can be good. COUR, all right, in Bullmaster. All right, it fell from what's that, 45, trading at 13. All right, so good risk reward. Netflix, you know what? Let's add Netflix. All right, it's fell from 690. All right, buy signal came in at right here at 351. But for Bullmaster, you know, it closed today at 403. Buy signal, so we're about $50 off the buy. But for Bullmaster, and it's an expensive stock, that could go much higher. So good for calls. All right, so we'll add it. All right, we'll add it. Netflix, NFLX in Bullmaster. We'll add this one, net, right? Good resistance here, breaking out of that resistance, a good markdown phase, right? Fell from 217, it's at 69, so we'll add it, net. The market holds and continues to move higher, right? The stocks could move. All right, GameStop, all right, let's see here. Not very good markdown phase, guys. Look at this. Look, see these spikes in here. And we've traded GameStop before, and we did really well, right? You guys know they did an article on our traders a few years ago. Was it a couple of years now on GameStop? But nothing here. Nothing here with GameStop. The local paper here interviewed us on our trade. We did really well with that trade. The Orlando Sentinel. MTCH, buy signal. All right, let's make sure we're not in it. All right, so let's add this one. MTCH. All right, MTCH. All right, good markdown phase, guys. It fell from, and we love these stocks when they fall like this, right? From 171, and buy signal came in at 38, right? Really good markdown phase, clean buy signal, right? MTCH. Kavana, let's see here. All right, that looks good. Kavana looks good. Look at this, guys. Definitely put this as an option, okay? Fell from 370. All right. And we've got really good support at $6.40. So that's your protection. If it breaks below there, sellers come in. That'll be your exit. Buy signal is at 15. All right, but look where it fell from. I mean, no guarantee that it can make it that high, but even if it gets to $100, right, or 75, not a bad trade. All right. So we'll add that CVNA, right, Kavana, in Bullmaster. All right, let's keep going. Lots of opportunities, guys. So many, too many to track. All right, DBRG in Bullmaster. All right. All right. Buy signal right here. Gapped up today. Holding nicely. Okay. Very choppy. DCN fell from 130. It's trading at 42. It's clearing resistance here. All right, a bit choppy in here, but still looks good. So DOCN in Bullmaster. Choppy. That's gone. MGNI, nice markdown phase. We've got resistance here. Buy signal is right here, but it's breaking through resistance right here. So we'll add this MGNI Bullmaster. We'll add this one GTLB in Bullmaster. Good markdown phase. All right. And most importantly, good support. So really good support here at 32. Buy signal came in at 35, trading near 35 there. All right, we had a white candle, now a green candle. But good protection, good support. We're in this one. We're in this one. Nothing here. All right. That's gone. What's that? ZI. I think we're in this. Yeah, we're in this. That's gone. A path. All right. Another good one, guys. All right. Good markdown phase. This one fell from 75, right? It's trading at $19 here. Breaking resistance. Buy signal is right here. Breaking resistance. This is a good one. This is why we have to keep going. Never know what we find. PATH. All right. All right. Good risk reward. Fell from 75, 19. Not bad. Path. PATH. All right. That's gone. That's gone too far. So has this one. It's gone too far. Okay. FRSH, good markdown phase, right? Fell from $50, trading at $15, right? Buy signal here. We just got a clear 16. It's trading at 1576, so getting close. FRSH. We'll add that in Bullmaster. Nothing here. Good buy signal, though. Team, I think we're in team. Yes. All right, you look at you guys. After a while, you can spot these. You do this for a while, you can spot these right away. All right, fell from 202, so good risk reward. Right, trading at close at 36. Big candle right here, broke resistance, so buyers are coming back in. All right, so buy signal at 32, close at 36, still good. You've got a really good support right here around 25. So good protection on that trade. Okay, so we'll add that U, the symbol U. All right. TWLO. All right. Good markdown phase. All right. I know that company. I'm not sure what they do. I'm not sure what they do. But good markdown phase. All right. Buy signal came in. Purpose support and resistance, but it's not a major concern when we at the bottom there, right? So good support at 44, close today at 65. Okay. So we'll add this one. TWLO. And just a few more. Nothing here. Gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. 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 Nothing here. All right. So that's it. Lots of opportunities, guys. I think we've got about 15 or so symbols in Bullmaster. So a lot to track. All right. Quick look at Monster Futures. And Dean, you'll be happy to know that we've added all the futures data now. Okay. So everyone should have the same futures data. Okay. So we're going to go through and we'll do this quickly. All right. We'll do this quickly. We're going to run it quickly here. All right. So we'll look at longs, right, in the futures markets. All right. So longs and then shorts, right, in Monster Futures. Okay. So let's see what's going on in the futures market. Okay. Crude oil. Let's see here if we get in crude oil. It's consolidating right here, but it's showing up. It's showing up right here. So let's see if we have anything here. That's corn. Nothing with corn. But keep an eye on corn. right? It's setting up to give buy signals. It's showing up in heat seeker, but if you guys can see here, right, we're starting to see green candles. So we'll keep an eye on corn and crude oil. Let's see here. All right, crude oil should be consolidating, but near the highs, consolidating near the highs. So possibly breakout soon. Okay, so nothing there with crude oil. All right. When they show up in heat seeker, just start paying attention. Corn again, corn again. So corn, guys. Those of you trading monster futures, just make a note. Corn, to keep an eye on corn and crude oil. Okay. S&P. You guys know the S&P, right? 500. So we have an S&P trade going already. Okay. So that's further confirmation. Look at this. We have a lot of S&P all here. S&P 500. All right. So that's further confirmation that they're buying the S&P. All right. And even the mid cap, right? S&P. So they're buying. Russell, a bit of a movement in the Russell, but definitely the S&P. And you guys know we trade in live cattle, right? So that live cattle trade is doing well. So it's still showing up. All right. If it's still showing up, that means they're still buying, right? They're still buying. All right. And crude oil, we might see a move in crude oil. So crude oil, and which was the other one? Crude oil, and here's S&P also. All right. So crude oil, and was it corn? Crude oil, and I think corn, we said. Okay. But crude oil might, I think crude is at 71, I believe, 71 or 72. But we have it here. We'll see. It's still consolidating, but they're definitely starting to move it. Okay, not a lot, but they're definitely moving it. So keep an eye on that. So the shorts that the longs that we're in is really what we need to be in now. The S&P and that live cattle. Live cattle, we're in that already. Okay, and that's a good trade going right here. Here it is right here. That live cattle trade going right here. Okay, so that's a really good trade going there. Let's take a quick look at shorts, and then I'll let you guys go. We'll be done. Just a lot of information, guys. So let's see here. Where are we? All right, shorts, VIX. Make a note of this, VIX. All right, shorting the VIX. You guys know VIX is right here. Monster Market Tracker. We have a sell short signal on the VIX. VIX is at 14. Okay, that sell short signal came in at 16. VIX is at 14 now. All right, so we've seen that in the futures market. All right, so shorts. All right, so I want to go here, VIX, right here, VIX, shorts to the downside. Let's open this up. So this could be a good trade here, shorting the VIX now. It's gone down quite a bit already, okay? So I don't know how much we can get. See right here, see this whole move right here with the VIX, okay? But you can certainly see this right here, all right? So they're definitely shorting the VIX. All right, you can find one that's near the sell short signal, but be careful because it's moved already. And let's see here, gold, nothing major yet with gold. Here is more VIX, right? Here is more VIX here. So they're really shorting the VIX, guys. They're shorting volatility, right? So here, all right, right here. Okay, and here's another, the VIX again. That's the weekly, but okay. All right, so that's the only short trade. Soybeans, let's see, nothing really here. All right, but the VIX, VIX. The only concern with the VIX is that it's moved quite a bit already. All right, so you might be chasing price. Okay. All right. So, but long cattle, Long cattle, long S&P, might be able to find a trade in the S&P long. Okay, and keep an eye on crude oil. Crude oil might be the next trade, right? There's a lot of crude oil showing up here. All right, so it's all over the place. So that might be the next long trade. All right, guys. Any questions for me? Any questions for me? All right. If not, we're done. Okay. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. I know a lot of information. I apologize if it took so long. All right. It's 8:09. Not too bad, but we have to get to that information. Take care. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.